I will be using white French Sculpt, warm pink Sculpt, Shape It Up odorless liquid, Stuck On You base gel, tip and repair glue, totally clear C-curve tips, and my Duo Sculpt brush. Sanitize your hands and your client's hands with Sanitize, 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 available in peach or gardenia. Remove the polish and clean off the nail using fast-acting polish remover, available in peach or gardenia. Now I'm going to etch the nail with my 100 grit purple Terminator disposable etcher. Go with the way the nail grows. Push back the cuticle. Put little scratches in the nail. Make sure there's no shiny spots on the nail. Etching the nail properly eliminates 75% of lifting. Make sure there's no shiny spots. If there's any shiny spots, this could cause lifting. Just go with the way the nail grows. You don't need a lot of pressure. Now I'm going to push back the cuticle using the Trigium stone. Just push it back. Make sure there's no skin that's grown up on the nail. If there's any skin on the nail, this will cause lifting. Now I'm going to dust off the nail with my plastic manicure brush. Now I'm going to apply my tip. Apply a small amount of the tip and repair glue in the well. Then tap off the excess, and you're going to rock it on. Start with your tip angled down, and then just very lightly rock it onto the nail. Hold it for about 10 seconds until it's secure. Now I'm going to shorten the tip with my 1-cuts to my desired length. I will be using my long-lasting 180 zebra to shape the tip. This is going to be a tapered square, so I'm going to file straight out from the nail groove on the left, and then straight out from the nail groove on the right, and then shape my tip. Now I'm going to just file right in here where the seam is, and file it smooth to blend it into the natural nail very lightly. And then remove the shine off the tip. This promotes adhesion. Dust off the nail with your plastic manicure brush. Now I'm going to apply non-lifting nail primer. Dab your brush. I'm only going to prime the natural nail very sparingly. Make sure you don't get any on the skin. Then wipe off your brush before you put it back into your bottle so you don't have any contamination. Let the primer dry. This dries out the oils in the nail and kills the germs on the nail. Apply Stuck On You base gel to the entire nail. This is what makes the sculpt stick to the nail. Nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Cure 45 seconds in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Squirt a small amount of your nail liquid into a glass dish, just enough to wet your brush. You don't need a lot, you only need a few drops. I will be using my Sculpt Duo brush. Has the brush on one side and your silicone tip on the other side in a nice little travel case. I will be using the warm pink. When you're doing pink and white sculpt nails, you apply the nail bed first. And the way you determine what size the bead will be is the bead's going to be half the size of your nail bed. So this is going to be a small bead. Then you just scoop it out with your silicone tip. Place the rounded edge towards the cuticle. Just roll it off. Get a small amount of liquid on your brush. You only need a little bit. You start patting it out. Do the cuticle first, holding your brush like a pencil. Get a beautiful cuticle area before you do anything else. Get it nice and even. Get it close, but not too close. You never want to touch the skin. And start patting it out. Bring it out towards the end of your nail bed. Then you're going to start making your smile line. So pat it out. And create your smile line just how you like it, using the side of your brush. Get a little bit more liquid. This is really easy because it doesn't get hard until you put it in the lamps. Pat it out nice and even. And once you get your smile just how you like it, you're going to do a quick cure. There we go. Little bit right there. There we go. Do a little 15-second quick cure in your LED or a 20 to 30-second quick cure in your UV. If I was doing a full set, I would apply my pink nail bed, do a quick cure, go to the next nail, apply the nail bed, do a quick cure until I did all 10. Then I would do the white. Using my long-lasting 180 zebra, I'm going to perfect the smile line. Very easy. Just go around the smile. Get it nice and smooth. Get it just how you like it. Nice straight edge. That way when you put on your white, you have a beautiful smile line. Then just dust it off. We're going to apply the white. Now I'm going to apply white French, and when doing a full set, apply each white and do a quick cure. Then after all 10 whites are applied, do a full cure. And the way I'm going to determine the bead is it's going to be half the size of the free edge. So this will be a small bead. Squirt out a little bit, then scoop it out with the silicone tip. Apply this to the free edge. Moisten your brush. Then you're going to pat it across. You're going to get it really snug with that pink. You don't want any gap. And just pat it across. Push it up into your smile line. If you slightly overlap the pink, don't worry. When we file, it'll smooth out. Bring it out. Cover the entire tip. Pat it across. Get it nice and even. Even up your tip. Make sure it's nice and even on your tip. Get it just how you like it. That's what's nice about Sculpt. You don't have to worry about it drying or getting hard until you put it in the lamp. We'll scoot this back just a little bit, even though it's going to file off. Now do your full cure, and we're going to do a little extra full cure, 1 minute extra, so it's 2 minutes in your LED or 3 minutes in a UV, because the white is very opaque. Now I'm going to clean off the nail with Clean It. Now I'm going to file the nail with my long-lasting 180 zebra, and since I will be filing around the cuticle area, I'm going to score my edge. This makes it nice and smooth, so when I'm filing, it's nice and smooth around the cuticle. Now just dispose of my disposable etcher. I'm going to be filing in 5 steps. Step number 1 is straight out from the nail groove on the left. Step number 2, straight out from the nail groove on the right. Step number 3 is the free edge, and this is going to be a square, so I hold my file straight up and down. and go straight across. Step number 4 is the top of the nail in the cuticle area. Nice long strokes, file down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. And you can start seeing that beautiful smile line coming through. Oh, that looks so pretty. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. Then we're going to go around the cuticle area. Go around the cuticle area. There's a little road. You have product, natural nail cuticle, and your file sets right in that little road. Just blend it in to the natural nail so it's nice and smooth. Nice long strokes. And the sculpt file is really easy. You can see how that beautiful smile line is coming through. So pretty. Step number 5 is the client's angle, so turn the hand around and look at the nail from the same angle the client's going to be looking at for the next 2 weeks. And bevel down towards the tip. Get it nice and even. I did my 5 steps in filing, and now I'm going to see if I need to perfect the nail a little bit. This is a tapered square, so I'm going to taper in the sides just a little bit. Dust it off. Dust your hands off so you can see. There we go. Then take your file. I'm going to taper in just a little bit. Hold your file straight up and down. And just come straight out from that nail groove with a little bit of extra pressure. So you're just tapering that in just a little. Then do the same on the other side. Now I'm going to buff my nail with my clean finish buffing file. This file is made out of cloth, so it's really nice when you're buffing. It doesn't leave any grits in the nail, especially when doing the pink and whites. You want them to be nice and smooth. And you can use this buffer wet, with water, with oil, or dry. Have the client go wash their hands with peach antibacterial soft suds and a plastic manicure brush. Now I'm going to apply Top Gel Plus, a high gloss non-yellowing top gel. Cover the entire nail. Nice long strokes. Cap the tip. Cure 30 seconds in an LED or 1 minute in UV. Now I'm going to clean off the nail with Clean It. Apply conditioning cuticle oil in peach or gardenia. Now we have your pink and white nail using Sculpt Acrylic Gel Hybrid in warm pink and white French. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails, nails are always fun and never feel like work.